Backfire in the cold. Every garden tells a story, and few flowers narrated as gracefully as pansies and violas. Picture a morning in a cozy American backyard, dew sparkling on petals that seem to smile back at the sun. These cheerful blooms, often painted in vibrant purples, yellows, and blues, are among the first signs that spring has arrived, bringing color and charm to orchids. Choose leave in window boxes across the United States. For beginner gardeners, pansies and violas are like friendly teachers, forgiving, colorful, and eager to grow with a little care. Their soft faces and cool weather resilience make them a favorite among U.S. gardeners, from Florida's mild winters to Washington's chilly springs, whether you plant them in containers. Leaving you out in the cold, hanging baskets or garden beds, these plants bring a sense of life and warmth even when other flowers sleep. Growing pansies and violas begins with understanding their season. In the United States, they thrive in cooler temperatures, fall through spring in southern regions, and spring through early summer in the north. They're leaving you out with the cold. Their ability to tolerate mild frost makes them perfect transitional flowers. Start with healthy nursery plants. When grown from seeds, from our own experience, when growing from seeds, sow them indoors about 10 to 12 weeks before your area's last frost date. Use a seed tray filled with moist while draining soil mix, quickly leaving you out in the cold. Pressing seeds gently into the surface and covering lightly fine soil. Keep the trays in a cool, dark place until germination occurs, which usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. Once seedlings appear, move them to a bright area with indirect sunlight. When they have at least 2 sets of true leaves, they're ready for transplanting outdoors. The cold, choose a location that receives full sun to partial shade, ideally morning sun and afternoon shade in warmer climates. Pansies and violas appreciate cool conditions, so protection from intense heat helps them last longer. In U.S. regions with unpredictable weather, containers make it easy to move plants around as conditions change. Soil preparation is key. In the cold, both flowers thrive and fertile, while drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH, say around 6.0 to 7.0, mixing organic compost before planting improves aeration. Drainage, raised beds or large pots with drainage holes are great options for preventing waterlogging. In wetter regions like the Pacific Northwest, leaving out in the cold, ensuring good soil structure can be the difference between healthy roots and rot. When planting, space pansies and violas about 6 to 8 inches apart. This allows air circulation and reduces disease risk. Gently firm the soil around each plant, water well, and apply a thin layer of organic mulch to keep moisture consistent. Backfire when you're out in the cold. The mulch also helps maintain soil temperatures, particularly useful in states like Texas or California, where daytime temperatures can rise suddenly. Watering these delicate blooms is an art of balance. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while dry soil can wilting and stunted growth. Leaving you out in the cold. A good rule is to water deep once temperature soil begins to dry. Morning watering works best, allowing leaves to dry before cooler evenings. In humid southern regions, this practice prevents fungal issues and keeps flowers fresh longer. Fertilization is simple yet effective. Use a balanced water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks during active growth. Cold, avoid high nitrogen blends, which encourage leaf growth over blooms. If you prefer organic care, compost tea or diluted fish emulsion works beautifully. Feeding regularly promotes vibrant color and strong blooms throughout the season. Deadheading or removing spent flower is one of the most satisfying tasks in pansy and viola care. Leaving out the cold, it encourages the plants to produce more blooms instead of setting seed. Regularly pinch off faded flowers and trim back leggy stems to maintain a tidy, bushy appearance. With consistent care, these plants can bloom for months, brightening your garden from early spring right into summer. Temperature control is crucial for longevity. In cold, pansies and violas prefer day temperatures between 45 temps and 65 degrees F. In warmer states, they might fade once temperatures rise above 75 degrees F. To extend their life, plant them where they can enjoy morning sun and afternoon shade, or switch to summer-friendly companions like impatiens or begonias when the season turns hot. In cooler U.S. states, in the cold, pansies even survive snow, bouncing back once temperatures rise again. Pests and diseases are minimal but should be monitored. Common issues include aphids, slugs, and snails. Hand-picking or using organic insecticidal soap usually solves the problem. Good airflow prevents fungal diseases like powdery mildew. For gardeners in humid states, leaving out in the cold, spacing plants properly and watering the basins greatly reduce issues. If you plan to overwinter your pansies in mild zones, USDA 7 Hub, mulch them lightly and reduce watering. In northern climates, treat them as annuals or receive them for next season. Violas, being hardier, often self-seed, gifting you with spontaneous new blooms next year. Leaving out put in the cold, designing with pansies and violas adds personality to your garden. Their bright, patterned faces pair beautifully with tulips, daffodils, and ornamental kale. Try mixing purple pansies for high contrast or plant monochrome patches for a refined look. Hanging baskets filled with trailing violas add a cheerful splash to patios and entryways. Indoors, leaving you out in the cold. Potted pansies placed near a bright window can transform a dull corner into a colorful display. Propagation is easy. You can collect seeds from mature blooms or divide root clumps. For continuous color, plant in stages early spring and fall, ensuring blooms throughout the year. For U.S. gardeners, this method provides waves of color across seasons. Cool. The charm of pansies and violas goes beyond their beauty. They are edible flowers, often used to garnish salads, cakes, or drinks, bringing garden freshness to the table. Their mild, sweet flavor and rich symbolism, love, thoughtfulness, and remembrance make them a poetic addition to any space. Common beginner mistakes include planting in full sun and hot climates, using heavy clay soil without drainage, and neglecting to deadhead. Over-fertilizing can also cause lush foliage but few flowers. By maintaining balance, moderate sunlight, rich but light soil, and consistent moisture, you'll master their care with ease. In the U.S., their seasonal flexibility makes them ideal for different climates. Leave you out in the cold. Gardeners can enjoy them from spring to early summer, while southern gardeners grow them through winter and early spring. Their resilience to cooler temperatures and adaptability to containers make them among the most versatile flowering plants in American gardens. With each passing season, pansies and violas teach patience, care, and reward. Backfilled in the cold, their gentle blue remind us that small efforts bring lasting. Whether you're in a sunny California patio, snowy Vermont balcony, or cozy Texas yard, these flowers bring color to your days and calm to your soul. Bring pansies and violas home this season. Start with a few pots, tend to them with gentle care, leaving back out in the cold, and soon you'll find yourself surrounded by color and joy. Their low-maintenance nature and captivating faces will turn even first-time gardeners into lifelong plant lovers. Every bloom tells a story. Leaders begin with the pansies and violas. Their resilience mirrors nature's rhythm. Their color mirrors happiness, and their simplicity mirrors peace. Out in the cold. Subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub for more USA-based gardening tips, seasonal planting guides, and nature-inspired videos that help your home and garden flourish beautifully.